model, 68-plate Peugeot Expert Dispatch Professional 2.0 Hdi new Cambelt kit fresh MOT Euro 6 VAT inclusive. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 148760. MOT, the 16th of July 2026. Engine, 1997 ccDW10FE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Fresh 12 months MOT, just had complete Cambelt kit with water pump. This is ready to get in and go straight to work. VAT is included in the final price. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 12 months MOT. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,550 plus VAT. Contact us.